Today, we unveil the remarkable journey of how a market leader company with an aging Powerbuilder application and how Morphis Tech turned their aspirations into reality. The task was challenging: to modernize an 80% market-dominating Powerbuilder app. Morphis Tech's approach was hands-on and collaborative. Armed with proprietary advanced tools, they navigated intricate databases, financial complexities, and extensive batch processes. Challenges were turned into opportunities. The result? A cloud-ready application with a revamped interface, flawless user experience, and multilingual support. Operations ran seamlessly, and security was fortified. Morphis Tech's impact didn't stop at modernization. It elevated the entire user journey and experience. Morphis Tech invites you to join the digital revolution. Your legacy systems can thrive too. Connect with us today. Morphis Tech, where challenges transform into opportunities.
Morphis Tech,